question. God. Thank you for your answer. Perhaps you'd like to now answer the question that I asked you. Have you ever asked the witness a simple yes or no question and received a long, rambling, evasive response to that question? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain why some witnesses answer questions in this way and what you can do about it. As you know, in cross-examination, it's really important to control the witness. And one of the ways that you control the witness is to ask precise leading questions that often require a yes or no answer. Easier said than done. There are several reasons why witnesses don't respond to the questions in the way that you desire. The witness may have misunderstood or misheard the question that you asked. Now, in this situation, the problem is with comprehension. The witness isn't trying to be evasive. And so the way that you deal with this type of witness is with politeness, obviously, and simply repeat the question or rephrase the question. The next type of witness is the trained witness. So, for example, a police officer. These types of witnesses know how to give evidence in court strategically, in a way that isn't really going to undermine their testimony or damage their case. So they may answer the question that they want to answer and not the question that the advocate actually asked. And with this type of witness, you could use the "are you saying" approach. So if this type of witness gives a very long-winded response, you would summarize what they said by using a phrase such as, "Are you saying that you didn't see Mr. Smith punch Mr. Brown?" Again, this is a very straightforward question. There is no room for evasion here. And if the witness is evasive in response to this question, the tribunal will certainly notice this, and it will reflect badly on the witness. The other technique you could use with this type of witness, the professional witness who is being deliberately evasive, is to call them out on their evasion. You could actually say to the witness, "Officer, that wasn't my question. My question was," and then you repeat the question that you asked initially. The witness may simply be nervous or anxious and therefore provide long-winded, rambling, indirect responses to your questions. And again, the witness isn't being evasive, they're just nervous. And it's understandable because giving evidence in court can be a really intimidating process. So in this situation, you would simply repeat the question again. Another reason why witnesses may not provide direct responses to your questions is because the witness wants to explain. This type of witness doesn't want to be constrained. The witness doesn't want to be contained. The witness wants the freedom to explain his or her position, because this particular witness doesn't feel that a yes or no answer will accurately represent his or her true position or answer. And so they feel the need to provide a full explanation or to provide a caveat. Now, there are several ways that you can deal with this witness. You could ask the witness to respond directly to the question that you've asked. You could use the confirm approach. The answer to my question is yes, isn't it? The witness is going to then have real difficulties not providing a yes or no response in response to that question. Another type of witness is the deliberately evasive witness. And they are deliberately evasive because they know that the truthful answer that they're going to provide will be an admission or a concession, and they don't want to do that because it will damage their testimony or damage their case in some way. And so they become really evasive when answering the question. Their goal is to obscure the truth or to not make an admission. And again, you're going to simply repeat the question again, or you could use the confirm approach. The answer to my question is yes, isn't it? Sometimes the questions that you ask will be in relation to collateral issues or minor issues that don't go to the heart of the issues in the case. And if the witness is being evasive in relation to those issues, you might simply want to move on. You might not want to get bogged down in trying to get the witness to answer the question in the way that you want the witness to answer the question. And so it's up to you. You can just simply move on to your next topic. Have you faced a really evasive witness in court? Let me know.